Hey guys, today we are making cake with ice cream and peanut butter caramel frosting. Sorry guys, we haven't posted in a while because my school has started and we are a bit busy. And we are making our first lockdown cake. And guys, if you enjoy our videos, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Plain flour, sugar, baking powder, coffee, classic vanilla extract, melted ice cream, peanut butter, cream, caramel, and boom! Ice cream cake with caramel peanut butter frosting is ready. Guys, it looks so pretty and delicious. See, it's very soft and fluffy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe. Hold on, comment below and have a wonderful day. Bye! And stay locked down.